So I'm learning data structures and algorithms. The first topic was about Big O. I want to share with you what I understand about Big O, and feel free to correct me or even provide more insights for things I might have missed. Big O is a concept in computer science. To give you a mental model, you can think of this as a tool that gives you a bigger picture of how efficient an algorithm is in terms of its time and space complexity. Let's start with time complexity. It refers to how long it takes an algorithm to run as the amount of data it needs to process increases. So you're asking, gaano kaya katagal ang execution time ng isang program or algorithm habang pataas ng pataas ang data na binibigay ko dito? So simple example, try mo magbilang hanggang 10 at try mo naman magbilang hanggang 100. Sino dito sa dalawa ang matatagalan ka magbilang? It's 1 to 100, right? So that is a simple example of the concept of time complexity. So there are different ways of expressing time complexity using Big O notation. We have O1 or constant time, ON or linear time, ON squared or quadratic time, and even ON cube or cubic time. Sa O1, the execution time ng algorithm ay constant lang. Para sa akin, it means instant. For example, sa isang array, gusto mo makuha yung 7 na element. You know exactly the index value ng element na yan. So you indicate that in your code, and then in an instant, you get the value that you are looking for. Sa ON naman, or big O of n, kapag nakita nyo na yung variable na n, may presence na ng for loop. The big O of n is also called linear time. Kasi kagaya na lang siya ng example ko kanina na depende sa number ng bibilangin mo or i-iterate mo, ganon ka din katagal aabutin para matapos yun. Next is yung ON squared. It is also known as quadratic time. Dito na papasok yung nested for loop na dalawa. Isingit na natin yung ON cube or cubic time, which translates to a 3 for loops that are nested. So these are generally bad. So let these images explain for themselves. So for example, if may data ka na may size of 6, squared mo lang yan, ang execution time na ngayon ng algorithm mo ay 36. Kapag cube naman, it's 216. So grabe yung jump ng execution time from 36 naging 216. So imagine mo sa comment section sa Facebook tapos kailangan mo i-manage ang billions of comments, kapag gumamit ka pa ng nested for loops, di baka mag-crash na yung site at hindi na magamit ng mga users. So hindi ko alam kung anong algorithms ang ginagamit ng Facebook to go around this, but hopefully you get the point that quadratic and cubic times are a red flag sa code nyo, pero depende sa context. So what's in it for you? Probably as a student, self-taught, or experienced developers to learn more about Big O notations. So learning this tool will help you make trade-offs kung anong algorithm ang gagamitin mo to solve a problem. So far, we have talked about Big O time complexity. We will soon talk about space complexity. Follow for more.